You don't need to leave your house to make that delicious bread at your house. Let's use 500 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a good pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of butter, 300 milliliters of water. Let's mix everything very well until it turns to a homogeneous batter, as you can see. You can freeze it if you want to, alright, to bake it later. Let's knead it very well. Let's put it in a bowl and let it rest for 15 minutes. After this time, let's put it on the counter and knead it a little bit more, okay, about 5 minutes. And then let's let it grow again, but now until it doubles the size, which is about 30 minutes. Okay, guys, just cover it. Around here, it has already grown. Look how beautiful it is. Now I put it on the counter again with some flour, and now we are going to make this shape. As it's a big bread, but we are going to cut it into portions, as you can see. Cut it into half and then cut in about 2 fingers in a measure, okay? But if you want to use to wave it first, you can do it. Now just make little balls. Just tell me what city you're watching this recipe from so I can send you that special hug. Then just take one of these portions, open it with a roll, and then roll it again, just like a bread. At the end, press it a little bit, the bottoms, to avoid it to open. Then just put it in a grease to form and let it grow again for more 30 minutes or about 20 minutes. It will depend on the temperature of your city. When it doubles the size, using something to cut it, we're going to cut like this. And it's not too deep, okay, guys? It's just a detail. I also put a little bit of water on top of it that will help to let it brown on top of it, okay? Like this. There's no secret, guys. The water will help it to be crunchier on the outside as well, which is an amazing feature of this bread. I took it to the preheated oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes or until you see that it's brown on top of it, okay? There are people who like it whiter or a little bit more brown. You will decide it. And it's already done, guys. No words for that.